So I ran into a problem with the firewall PC or the mini PC. Turns out you can't run a server on 16 gigs of RAM. I could barely run one. So I have ordered another two of these. These are the Clev DDR4 SODIMM's 32 gigabytes, as you can see. And this is the same one that I'm running on the laptop. And let me show you, these are actually made in Taiwan, if I can find it. Well, it's not on here, but I think it's set on, yeah, right there. Let me see if I can focus right there. So they have been really good. This is the same one I'm running on the gaming laptop. The weirdest thing is this is the lowest cost SODIMM I could find for DDR4 in Amazon, but the ones I order, each one is coming from like a different warehouse, so I don't know what's going on there. But here is the other one I installed on the laptop, so I got a total of 64, and I am updating this one to a total of 64, which is the max they both will take. And it's the same RAM, so I'm using it. It's been working great. I put the other one on, it works fine. So yeah, I ran into that problem with the server. That's why I haven't been doing much on that end, because it was just barely staying on, and then I had some errors under, and then I remember I bumped the memory from 8 to 16, or to, what was it, 2 to 8, and whatever the uh, bare minimum was, but it's barely, I can barely do anything on it, so that's why I have to update it. And I did look at other mini PCs like these, but they all either go up to 32, 48 maybe, and some up to the same as this, 64. So it makes no sense to get another one when I can just update this one and try it that way. But if you're looking for a VM machine, keep that in mind, because this one will only give you so much if you're doing actual virtual machines, not Dockers. So they're a little different, but that's something to keep in mind. And if you're going to be doing a lot of VMs and it's actually going to use it for something like that, you might as well with a mini ITX motherboard. That's why this desktop it's a lot bigger, obviously, but that's just something I needed to point out so that you keep that in mind, because I did run into that issue with the servers barely able to chip along on even 16 gigs of memory. So I'm going to take the laptop 16 gigs of memory, add this one, well, I'm going to take one and then add this one, and then I'll add the second one whenever I get the second one that I ordered, for a total of 64.